Hello, if you want to change watch face on your Apple Watch Series 10, then I can highly recommend you to do this by your watch application on iPhone or iPad because everything is bigger and it will be much easier to navigate. So as you can see, you can go into the face gallery right here on the watch application and you can pick any watch face that you want. So let's scroll down, let's find something that looks good. Okay, we got this flux animation, but with the different color, and honestly I would like to get this one. So I would like to stay with this purple and orange. That's how it looks, and we have to click on add. Now as you can see, it's already on our Apple Watch. There we go. And now when I go into the My Watch, I can find these watch faces, and if I want to quickly switch between them, I can just select one of the watch face, and if I want to get this one on my watch, set, so I have to click to set as a current watch face. And that's basically how you can actually change watch faces on the Apple Watch Series 10. And thanks for watching.